Hello children, hi, this is Fareen Miss. Today we are going to learn Marathi मुळाक्षरांची ओळख. मुळाक्षरांची ओळख means to know, to recognize Marathi alphabets. Akshar means alphabet. Swar means voice of an alphabet. Today we will learn to recognize and pronounce swar. Let's see what is swar. स्वर अ ते आहा, from a to aha is called swar. Let's recite a, a, e, e, u, u, ru, a, I, o, au, aha. Once again, a, e, u, ru, a, I, o, au, aha. A te ananas. In English, it is called pineapple. A te asgar. In English, it is called python. A te ai. In English, it is called mother. Ate agadi. In English, it is called train. Ite imarat. In English, it is called building. Ite idlimbu. Idlimbu is called lemon in English. Eid. Eid is the festival of Muslims. Te undir. Undir means rat. Te oont. In English, it is called camel. Te oos. Oos means sugarcane. In English, it is called sugarcane. Te ukhad. Ukhad, in English, it means mortar, which is used in crushing the spices or any food items with the pestle. This is called pestle. To make paste or powder like this. Ru te rutu. Rutu means season. So there are different seasons: summer season, rainy season, and winter season. Ru te rishi. Rishi, in English it is called wise man or sadhu in Hindi. You will find him reciting religious mantras and performing religious activities. A te edka. In English, it is called sheep. A te ek. In English, it is called one. I te iron. In English, it is called iron. It is a piece of iron, a tool, where a blacksmith, lohar in Marathi we call lohar, make objects from iron or steel. So iron is used to hammer, bend and cut. You can see in this picture. Ote, oat. In English, it is called lips. Au. Aute, aushad. In English, it is called medicine. Te, angthi. In English, it is called ring. Te, andi. Egg. English, it is called egg. Aha.
Hello my dear children and all the viewers. I hope you understand my explanation of this lesson. Thank you so much to all my subscribers for your support. Going to reach 100 soon. Keep showing your love and support, and please do share my videos and tell everyone to subscribe so that it reach towards maximum children and they learn from it. Those who have not subscribed yet, please don't forget to do the following things: like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel Fareen Miss. Comment below your views. For further videos, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.